Hi, my name's David, and I'm here to show you U.S. taxes in Deskera Books. First, we're going to click Set up your own organization. After that, we're going to select the tax registry. So we're going to choose United States. We're going to select the reporting currency, so I can change it to whatever I'd like. I can set up the financial year start date, and I can set the book beginning date. So for example, if I don't want it to be January, I can set it as April 1st, and then I can click Create. Congratulations, your U.S. organization has been successfully set up. Let's explore the app first. Let's click on Settings, and let's click on Organization Profile. Now we're going to click on the pencil icon. Inside here I can see my company name, my tax registry, and my date format. So if I want it month, day, year, I just click on this. Next, let's go to Finance. In Finance, we can see our financial start date, book beginning date, reporting currency, number of decimal places, and number format. We can also activate multi-currency. So for example, if I want Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, I can just click it and save. Next, let's go to Compliance. Inside here, I can type in the tax ID number. I can toggle this on if I do not collect taxes. And I can input the state where I do collect taxes, for example, Texas. If I collect taxes from multiple states, I can input that in here too as well. So for example, California. Next, let's click on Address. Inside here, we're going to input the address. And you can see it auto-populates. So I just click it, all the information populates, and I can click Update. So inside here, I can see everything's been updated. Next, let's click on Settings, and let's click on Tax. Inside here, you can see that there are no taxes shown. The reason for this is that taxes are calculated based upon the states you selected in your organization profile and your contact's address. So there will always be no information here, so don't have to worry about it. Alright, let's go to Settings, and let's go to Currency. Inside here, you'll see Currency, Code, Symbol, Exchange rate, Date, Visibility, and Action. So if I see one currency, like Mexican pesos, I want to activate, I can just click the eye icon. Now if I want to activate multiple, I can select multiple ones here, and I can click Activate. After that, if I want to deactivate them, I can select them again, and click Deactivate. Or if it's just one that I want to disable, I can just click the eye icon here. If I want to change the rate, I can click Change Rate, and I can update it here accordingly. So maybe, and click Save. And now the rate's been updated. If I want to see rates for the inactive or non-visible ones, I just click View Rate. I can see the rate here. Next, let's go to Contacts. Inside here, you can add contacts, import contacts. So let's add a contact. Maybe John Computers. You can put in the email address, the tax number. Under accounting, you can put in the payment terms, payable account, receivable account, and under address, you can put in the address. And then you can save. Let's create one more contact. So maybe K's Keyboards. Then let's go to address and let's type in address. And let's select it, and let's save it. Next, let's go to Products. Inside here, let's click Create Product. Inside here, we have three types of products: non-tracked, tracked, and bill of materials. For now, I'm just going to select non-tracked. I'm going to put in the name as Web Services. Next, let's go to Accounting. This is where you can put in your purchase account, your sales return account, your personal return account. The key thing here for U.S. tax, is it taxable? So is this product taxable? Yes or no. So you can select it here. And let's go to Inventory, and this is where you can choose your unit of measurement and save. Next, we're going to click on Sell, and we're going to create an invoice. Inside here, I'm going to add a contact. So I'm going to select the one that had the Texas address, so John Computers. I'm going to add in the line item of the product we just created, Web Services. Just going to put in the unit price. And you can see here the taxes are automatically created. And then let's click Save. Let's click Create New, and let's create a new invoice. This time we're going to select the one that is not in that state. So for example, this one is in Massachusetts. And then let's select a product again. Put in the unit price. And down here you can see that there are no taxes. And we can save, since we do not collect taxes in Massachusetts. Next, let's click on Bank. And let's click Add Bank. Let's input the account name. So for example, maybe Bank of America. Input the description, Bank of America. Click Save and Next. Get started. Now I can see my banks here. So for example, Bank of America is right on the screen. But what if it does not show up here? For example, let's type in state. Now you can see State Employees Credit Union, Happy State Bank, all these different banks there. So I'm just going to click on Bank of America. I'm going to confirm I'm not a robot. Then it's going to ask me to input my username and password. So now you can see my bank has been created. Next, let's go to Reports. Inside here I can see my sales tax report. And I can see from Massachusetts and Texas. You can also see under Massachusetts, it shows that I've collected no tax because I do not collect taxes in Massachusetts. But in Texas, where I collect tax, you can see here that I've collected the tax here, Austin MTA Transit Special, and Texas State. And that was a quick look at U.S. tax in Deskera Books.